Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has called President Donald Trump's new tariffs on auto imports is unjustified and in violation of the existing trade agreements, and said that Canada would impose retaliatory trade actions of their own. Speaking in Ottawa, Carney promised Canada's retaliation will have maximum impact in the United States and minimum impact here in Canada. Trump on Wednesday said that he was placing 25% tariffs on auto imports, and to underscore his intention, he stated, this is permanent. Carney spoke after chairing his special cabinet committee on the U.S. relations. Let's listen in to what Mark Carney had to say.
And our response to these latest tariffs is to fight, is to protect, and to build. We will fight the U.S. tariffs with retaliatory trade actions of our own that will have maximum impact in the United States and minimum impacts here in Canada.
Let's now go across to my colleague Maha Siddiqui, who's joining us live. Maha, help us understand now, with Carney saying that they will impose or go ahead with a retaliatory tariff, what kind of a significance is that likely to have on the geopolitical landscape?
Well, already the relations between the US and Canada have dipped to an all-time low, considering that they are neighbors and they have been allies and partners for over many decades now. So the relationship is already soured, and that is because of the trade and tariff war that is on. Because of US President Donald Trump imposing tariffs against Canada. Now, the latest round of this between the US and Canada, the war of words that we are seeing has been triggered because of the 25% tariff that has been imposed on for import of foreign cars that the US is now going to levy. Now, this is going to have significant impact on Canada, considering that half the exports of cars from Canada was to the US. And the auto industry is very closely tied between the two countries. Even the supply chain, if you take a look at that, Priyanka, it goes from Canada to US to Mexico. So it's very difficult because it's so closely interlinked, this industry in North America, across these three countries, that any action of this nature is going to have a great impact, especially at this time in Canada when it's going to go in for elections. We are seeing leaders, including Mark Carney, going to some of the places like Windsor in Ontario, which is the auto hub of Canada. So clearly, this reflects the kind of the sentiment on the ground related to these tariffs, especially associated with the automobile industry.